Easiest way to make $98,237.47. What if I told you that making this amount is easier than you think? No experience, no upfront investment, no waiting for years. In this video, I'll show you the simplest way to reach this number, step by step. Step 1. Choosing the right model. There are many ways to make money, but we need the easiest and fastest. The method we're covering today. Here's proof. People just like you, making money right now. Step 2. Execution. Step 1. Pick a platform. Choose where you'll start, like Shopify, Gumroad, or Amazon. Step 2. Automate. Use smart tools like ChatGPT, Canva, or Systeme.io to make the process effortless. Step 3. Scale. Once you make your first $100, repeat the process and grow fast. Step 3. Proof and social proof. And here's what others have made using this exact method. Still wondering if this works? Look at what people are saying. Now, it's your turn. Will you keep watching or start making money today? Want a step-by-step guide? Click the link in the description now. It's easier than you think. Just start.